Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my boat dock, and I want to show you all what I have here. This is going to be one of those hooks that you use to pull in your boat or pull in whatever things, or to pull yourself next to another boat. It's basically a hook. If you have somebody falls over and you need to grab them with a life preserver or whatever, you have the ability here. So this is it here. So it looks like it's about, I could say, about 4 feet or so to start with, and then we have an extension that goes, see how far can we get here? We can go about another 4 feet, and I'm gonna guess another 4 feet. Look at that, man, holy mackerel, we can get really long here. I don't know if you can see, but we've got these boats here, so I could be sitting in this boat here, and I could be grabbing that one over there. Look how long this thing is. Can you see me? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to say this is a nice hook. Let me see, it's made out of aluminum, and I can't even stand it up in here, even though this is a ridiculously tall building. But look how cool it is, and it's super easy to make it go lower and taller. It's the aluminum makes it nice too. Push this back down. It definitely works with these little things here. So I'll go like that and that. And you've got the nice squishy handle on it, and a little handle at the end here too. So this is good. I know these are mandatory on a lot of boats, and when I had my boat in Florida, it was necessary. I think on the lake here it is as well. So these are going in the boat, and these are awesome. So definitely pick up one of these ones here. This is by TelesPro, T-E-L-E-S Pro, right there. And this is probably the best pole I'll ever own. Thumbs up.